Let's see what black magic is from Tantric's point of view. Tantric is someone who performs black magic. His clients are usually the ones who want to destroy their close ones. So these clients collect the victim's hair, nails, clothes and give it to Tantrics. These Tantrics perform certain rituals and make a doll with these items. And the leftover lemons and chilies from the puja are tied in a red cloth, and this red cloth is put in such a way that the victim passes over this cloth. These Tantrics believe that when a person passes over the red cloth, a strong etheric cord is developed between that red cloth and the person, and they believe they can transfer the negative energy through this etheric cord. This is what Tantrics believe. Now let's explore scientific analysis of black magic. Black magic is directing the concentrated negative energy on a specific person. When a concentrated negative energy is focused on a person, the person's mind will be completely filled with negative thoughts. Thoughts shape your beliefs, beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your life. This is the actual concept of black magic. Black magic is a psychological game. The main theme of the game is to frighten the victim. The victim must be so much frightened that he is always in an illusion that someone is constantly trying to hurt him or kill him. Your friend, your relative, or someone close to you who wants to destroy you and who visit Tantric to perform black magic against you. Make sure you know what black magic is. They will tell you their life stories, that how someone has done black magic to them and how their lives were destroyed. They will tell stories of their friends or relatives whose lives are destroyed just because of black magic. This is first stage. In the second stage, as humans, sometimes we fall sick, sometimes we fail, sometimes we will be in an odd situation. They will use this situation to tell you that someone is performing black magic against you, and black magic is so dangerous that it can even kill you. Their main intention is to make you believe that black magic is so powerful and it can kill you, and now that someone is performing black magic against you. The main aim of your enemy is to instill fear in you. When you completely believe someone has done black magic to you and you are in a helpless position, you will start looking out for help. Here comes our heroes, all the fake babas, who will make you believe that by performing a simple puja, he can turn all your bad luck into good luck. He will tell you that he can help you get rid of the black magic effects. Now, since you are in a helpless position, you start believing anyone who assures you that they can help you to get rid of the black magic effects. You blindly believe them, and they make use of your helpless, hopeless situation to make money. To gain your trust, these fake babas tell the common problems that all humans face, and there are more chances that you have 2 or 3 problems that he has mentioned, and you only look at these 2 or 3 problems and forget the rest 7 problems he mentioned but you don't have. You simply start believing him and start giving him money. At the end, you may not have get rid of any problems, but you will have an additional problem called financial problem. If you are in such a position, you need not search for help. Since the problem started with you, the solution is also within you. As there is a magnetic field around magnet, humans also have energy field around them. When you build strong positive aura, all these negative attacks cannot impact you. To improve auric field, always surround yourself with positive people. Spend time at places that give you positive vibes. And most importantly, keep your thoughts positive. As a conclusion, I just want to say black magic is a psychological game. When you believe it, it affects you. When you don't believe it, it can't affect you.